Chris here, Melrose T-Tops. We're going to be doing a quick video on how to install 1984 through early 1986 Corvette roof panels. Okay, so your front hardware should look like this if you have an 84 through early 86 Corvette. If your roof hardware does not look like this, if it has a plate on it like this or like this, it means your car has been altered at one point to accommodate a later year roof. Give us a call if you have any confusion on that. Otherwise, let's proceed with installation. So these first design roofs are by far the easiest of the three to install. The only thing you're going to need is your install ratchet or a T40 that's similar, and a flat wrench that will come with the new roof. So before you get started, make sure all your hardware is loose. If this is not loose, if it's tight, you're not going to get enough movement out of here to get your bolts started in there. What our goal here is to get your bolts started wherever they may be in the car. Tighten this down, it locks this entire plate inside the frame. So you want to make sure both front sides are loose, along with your rear locator brackets. You're going to want to loosen up these two bolts, these two outer bolts. That'll make sure those are loose on both sides. Lastly, make sure your car's on somewhat even ground. You don't have a flat tire or anything like that, because the car can twist a little bit, skewing the windshield frame and so forth. All right, so the roof's on the car. If it is sticking up when you first put it on there, it's just these gaskets being fresh on the side. They need to shrink and compress and just start fitting to the car, which is going to happen slowly over the first couple months of use. For now, you're going to have to physically push it down and back to get these rear bolts close enough so they grab and start back here. So if you have to, get somebody to help hold that down and back, so you can get these bolts started. Once your center bolt's tight, go ahead and tighten up your outer bolts. Do this on both sides before proceeding to the front. And then the back is done. You don't have to worry about the back anymore during this procedure. All right, so back is done. We're back up here to the front. We're gonna have to get this bolt started. If it doesn't fall into the hole, you're gonna have to physically move the plate around. Get this to line up. Okay, got it grabbed. Get it down about 80%. So it's not tight, so you can get this wrench in here. You tighten up this locating cone. Sorry about the lighting. Tighten her up all the way. And your roof is now adjusted. All right, I think I covered everything. If I left something out, or if you're still confused about something, just please give us a call or leave a comment below. Otherwise, you can remove your film and enjoy your brand new roof.